In this video, we're going to take a look at the 2019 supply and demand curve, and it came up in question 16, which is a long question. So it came up as a part of a long question. So here it is, part A. New Chapter is an award-winning traditional bookshop located in Tinahely, County Wicklow. The demand and supply curves for one of its books, The Great Irish Weather Book, are shown in the diagram below. So you can see here that this is the price and then this is the quantity. So say, for example, if the price was 24, the amount demanded would be 20. So that's the demand curve there. So the amount demanded would be 20. But if the price was 8, if I went over to the demand curve, the amount people would be looking for would be 100. Okay, so that is it. Now, when the price is 8, if I look at the supply curve now, so if the price was 8, the publishers would probably only produce 20 of them. If the price was 24, the publishers would probably produce 100 of them because they're getting more money for it. So let's take a look at what we're being asked here. What are the questions? Okay, so use the above diagram to answer each of the following questions. Write your answers in the spaces provided. So indicate the quantity supplied at 20 euro. So you're looking at the supply curve now, okay? So at 20 euro, what is the amount supplied? And you can see there that it is 80. Okay? Indicate the quantity demanded at 8 euro. So let's look at the demand curve now. So the quantity demanded at 8 euro. So you can see there that that is 100. And then, last but not least, indicate the equilibrium price. So the equilibrium is right there and the price 16 euro. Okay, so that is 16 euro there. And that is the 2019 question 16, so the supply and demand curve part of the question.